Did you know you can apply different formatting rules to your data in Excel based on whether a value is positive or negative, and without having to use conditional formatting? In this example, I have positive and negative percentages, and I want to highlight the negatives in red. Here's how I can do that. I'm going to select my entire data set, and I'm going to press Control 1, which opens up the Format Cells options. And if I go to Custom, I can customize my formatting right here. But before I do that, I'm going to click on percentage and then shift back to custom so that it saves that percentage formatting. So I'm going to select that, hit Control C to copy it, add a semicolon, and now in brackets, I'm going to type in the word red. And I'm going to put a negative and then paste that percentage. So what this is telling Excel is if the value is positive, apply that normal formatting, but the semicolon says that afterwards, this is the next formatting, is if it's negative, apply a red color and put a negative in front of the percentage. Now, when I click on OK, you'll see now the negatives show up as red and they still have that negative in front.